What was your wedding like in the DP camp?
It wasn't bad. It wasn't a big one. My stepfather was able to buy things. Also, my husband did not live in the displaced camp. He lived private. So he knew already, had some money or some, I remember taking me to this, possible that she was German. She had a wedding gown. I have the pictures, I have the gown yet. It's 64 years, I think. I still have the gown, or my daughter has the gown. It was nice, but nothing elaborate like my children's wedding. And my mother was superstitious, and she did not walk because she had the second husband. She didn't want to bring bad luck.
So she didn't.
She was under the chuppah, but she did not walk anything, and I was upset that everybody is in tears. We tried to have klezmer or something, but everybody was in tears there. So walk the aisle was, I call it a tante, an aunt, that she helped probably also with the wedding, that she walked me, and my husband had the sister with a husband that walked me, that I remember. I remember we changed the room where I stayed closer to the hall, so it could be they brought in, not, I won't say much food, but there was challah and herring and probably those things, wine is what I remember. And there were a lot of people holding the candles, which I didn't like. I always afraid, away from my hair. I had long hair, and away, my mother would yell, put it in a glass, don't hold it like this, and sparks shouldn't fly. That I remember.